So this Oreo recipe makes 15 sandwich cookies, but we doubled it to make 30. So the recipe I'm giving you now is for 15 sandwich cookies, and you're going to start by mixing the above ingredients. Next, you're going to add 10 tablespoons of butter, a few pieces at a time, and then 1 large egg. Chill in the fridge for 10 minutes before baking at 375 for 9 to 10 minutes. To start your frosting, you're going to beat the above ingredients. Then add your powdered sugar and beat on high until light and fluffy. Then go ahead and assemble your cookies, and they're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and share this video with others.